Have you ever wondered if you can purchase Bitcoin using your Lunar bank account? Well, that's the question we're diving into today. Join me as we explore the possibilities of buying Bitcoin with Lunar Bank and uncover the steps involved. Understanding Lunar Bank. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Lunar Bank is. It's a digital bank that offers a range of financial services, including savings accounts, debit cards, and more. But can it handle cryptocurrency transactions? Let's find out. For those new to the crypto world, Bitcoin is the OG cryptocurrency. It's decentralized, meaning it operates independently of any central authority. Its value fluctuates based on market demand and supply. Can Lunar Bank facilitate Bitcoin purchases? Now, the million-dollar question, can you actually buy Bitcoin with Lunar Bank? Unfortunately, as of now, Lunar Bank doesn't directly support Bitcoin purchases. They haven't integrated cryptocurrency trading features into their platform. Alternative methods, indirect Bitcoin purchase. While Lunar Bank might not be a direct gateway to Bitcoin, there are still ways to indirectly purchase it. Here are a few alternative methods. Crypto exchanges. Many popular crypto exchanges allow you to link your bank account. You can transfer funds from Lunar Bank to the exchange and then use those funds to buy Bitcoin. Peer-to-peer, P2P, trading. P2P platforms connect buyers and sellers directly. You can find someone willing to sell Bitcoin for fiat currency and complete the transaction using Lunar Bank to transfer the funds. Bitcoin ATMs. If you're lucky enough to have a Bitcoin ATM nearby, you can use your Lunar Bank card to withdraw cash and then use that cash to purchase Bitcoin from the ATM. Factors to consider. Before you embark on your Bitcoin buying journey, it's essential to consider a few factors. Fees. Both Lunar Bank and the crypto exchange or P2P platform you choose may charge fees for transactions. Be sure to compare fees to find the most cost-effective option. Security. Cryptocurrency transactions involve risks. Protect your funds by using strong security measures and reputable platforms. Regulations. Cryptocurrency regulations vary by country. Ensure you're compliant with local laws and regulations. While Lunar Bank doesn't currently offer direct Bitcoin purchase options, you can still acquire Bitcoin indirectly using alternative methods. It's important to research and choose the method that best suits your needs and preferences. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, so keep an eye out for future developments from Lunar Bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.